बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम। इस वीडियो में हम द इकोनॉमिस्ट मैगज़ीन में से वोकैबलरी के कुछ वर्ड सीखेंगे। हर वर्ड के साथ उसका उर्दू मीनिंग, उसका इंग्लिश में मीनिंग, उसके सिनोनिम्स, उसके सेंटेंसेस, और जो तमाम सेंटेंसेस हैं वो द इकोनॉमिस्ट मैगज़ीन में से ही लिए गए हैं। वी विल ट्राई टू अपलोड द मैगज़ीन इन आवर फेसबुक ग्रुप। इफ़ यू वांट टू डाउनलोड इट, यू कैन चेक द ग्रुप लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ दिस वीडियो। Let's have a look on the very first word we are going to learn today. It is squandering. It is an adjective and squander is a verb. Squandering means to waste money, waste time, or waste anything which is precious in a careless way. For example, now we will have a look on the sentence. Squandering lives when a vaccine is at hand would be specially cruel, since has done its bit to see off the virus. Now comes the test for society. And the sentence has been taken from an article which is named Vaccine Suddenly Hope. Date of the magazine and page number mentioned in the description box of this video. Synonyms of squandering are extravagant, high-rolling, wasteful, and in Urdu we can say it फजूल खर्ची करना, फजूल में किसी चीज़ को उड़ाना, इसराफ करना, बर्बाद करना, लुटाना, फेंकना। जैसे अगर कोई शख्स पानी का टैप खोल दे और पानी इसमें से ज़ाया होता रहे, दैट मीन्स यू आर स्क्वांडरिंग द वाटर। The second word is elitism. Elitism is a noun and it means a way of organizing a system society so that only a few people who belong to the elite class have power or influence. This kind of the system is known as elitism. Another meaning of elitism is the feeling of being better than other people that being part of an elite encourages. And now we will have a look on the sentence. This sentence has been taken from the article Princess Diana, Populist Politician. This article is based on a Netflix series named The Crown, and in its recent season, Princess Diana has been featured. And what the sentence says, Princess Diana's genius was to mix two of the most profound forces of modern politics, emotion and anti-elitism, a shy girl into a powerful populist cocktail. As we all know that royal family is not very fond of Princess Diana, and in this particular article, this has been said that Princess Diana was an emotional populist. Its synonyms are haughty, high and mighty, high-flown, high-hat. And in Urdu we can say it अशराफिया या हुक्मरानी करने वाले अशराफिया, खवास या जो बहुत ही ख़ास लोग होते हैं, खवास की हुक्मरानी का दस्तूर. The third word which we are going to learn today is humbug. It means dishonesty, fraud, dishonest language or behavior that is intended to trick people. It also means a person who is not sincere or honest. Now we will have a look on the sentence. It is also taken from the same article, Princess Diana, Populist Politician. The traditional deal to which royals signed up allowed them to behave as they liked in private. Kings have almost always had mistresses because they marry for reasons of dynasty, not compatibility, so long as they behaved with decorum in public. Princess Diana regarded this as humbug. In other words, यहाँ पर एक प्रिंस के उस बिहेवियर को प्रोटेक्शन दी जा रही है कि अगर वो अपनी ऑफिशियल या लीगल वाइफ के साथ डिसलॉयल होता है तो इट इज़ ऑल ओके. Its synonyms are counterfeit, fake, forgery, and in Urdu we can say फरेब देने वाला, मकारी, झांसा, झूठ, मकर. Next word is Bravura. Bravura means great technical skill and brilliance shown in a performance or activity. For example, it has been demonstrated in a sentence. The sentence has been taken from the article COVID-19 Vaccines, the Technology of Hope. The end of pandemic seemed in sight. scientific insight, and industrial know-how had in a bravura display of their power provided an exit strategy. Synonyms are artful, delicate, masterful, masterly, practiced. And in Urdu we can say हुनर की नुमाइश करतब पुरजोशी. Last word which we are going to learn today is Kindle. Kindle is a verb, and kindle means to make a fire start burning, lit something. To make something such as an interest emotion to start grow in somebody or to start felt by. The sentence has been taken from the article COVID-19 Vaccines, the Technology of Hope. But for all the hope that diligence and science have kindled, there are hard winter months to face before that spring. जैसे हम उर्दू में कहते हैं मशल जलाना, शमा जलाना, रोशन करना, उस तरह के मीनिंग्स में किंडल का वर्ड इस्तेमाल होता है. Its synonyms are burn, fire, ignite, inflame, light, torch. आग पकड़ना, सुलगाना, मोमबत्ती जलाना, मुश्तइल करना, रोशन करना या फिर हिजान पैदा करने के मीनिंग्स में भी ये वर्ड इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. Please like, comment, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss any update. Thank you for watching.